In the country Ghana, unless you don't come into the limelight, Obemudia, in fact, over a topic, you better discuss so pay you. Belonia no the 40th birthday the Grand Star Richard Nii Armah Quaye. Also, there was an issue said GRA, Ghana Revenue Authority, for the Musa to bank accounts in us, freezing accounts in now. Dance and seminar a go viral. Ghana Revenue Authority for Abedi Bank the idea. Now, Omode letter 10 about 1 Abed to the same pay. I Penyah Block Media. Mess say any demo. Over like a video, another room, over subscribe button, that's never click a notification on the latest updates. Never to write in the mamma ever comment section. Mess as Obaswa. No, she will ammonia so any be ashe. 18 last week, was only a China 1 week ago. Richard Nii Armah Quaye Blonia within the 40th birthday in a Grand Star Arges in the Belgium Crown Auto, Bugatti Chiron, and a private jet. I and Jessica Kuma at the gift to one home for the birthday, so Bob Bla 40 years, Bob Bla. And the birthday, and young Kura birthday, and young Kura birthday. I tell you, the birthday, idiot, 1 in a million in Africa, on the Africa continent, the ever biggest party, birthday party, Africa beat me, I'm marking it down for records. It beat my tour. Hey, Richard Nii Armah Quaye 40th birthday out there, Gargantuan star, a BC baby other. After the birthday, the crown, you will say video from Abontina, or gifted the workers. The Bills Microcredit Limited workers who woman or the 100% a gift to Ubia and now 1,000 that day normal 1,000 can get you. Emma was out to market to grow 20%.
Today, our company is in a better position than it has always been over the past 15 years of our operations. And this has only been made possible because of the presence of all of you here today. In view of your efforts, I have taken a decision with the board to reward you all with 100% bonus today. Yes, guys, I am not done. I am not done. I have also taken a decision to increase the salaries of all staff. Yes, guys. Everyone in this company will have his or her salary increased by 20%. Success does not come to anyone by accident. This is why I always ensure that in this company, success is recognized, rewarded, and duly celebrated. I am fully aware of the financial implications of the decisions I am making to you all today. The finance department has duly informed me that this decision would cost us not less than 30 million Ghana cedis extra to our already existing huge staff cost. But I am still committed to making this decision today.
Just in the birthday, we did Amanayefe, we did birthday Nankasa, we did Eddie birthday ni. After the birthday, and semi will be started a PAP. As of for the moon, non-fan come she, or as a non-fan on fate, the Ghana for the BBC and Omu, BBC, Omu, BBC, hey, me who ye, and I may say, and I may say, as of for the moon, non-fan, come she, ever bye. Emma eja social media ebusian penifo mu no nyansa suru bia omu so beturu madwene waji sika duro ne sika ne sika fina ne store no kan ye na run a success. It doesn't make sense a whole lot. Ekowi achire om say ring bi crash no de bia ring no enu an ehye no enti waji sika duro ne sika no enye sika pa ensem de bebrebe na ebetwa gominisha me sure say was what a whole lot of issue concerning the worth. Now ni baby you want to pop it up say Ghana Revenue Authority for the ones out in the bank accounts nyina so ni nyina ne say odeka 30 million Ghana cedis ontua tax despite the 29 companies na owning nyina no ontua tax enti accumulate akudru 30 million Ghana cedis. Now that issue no Ghana Revenue Authority for Abedi Bank with a letter. Let's read. The Ghana Revenue Authority has noticed publications on various social media and other platforms purporting that the authority has frozen the bank account of Mr. Nii Armah Quaye, founder of Bills Microcredit Limited, and raised a personal income tax assessment of 30 million Ghana cedis on him. On yes, I do any hubi, yaso smart TV. Say go viral on social media, any other platforms, various websites. I say GRA4 ye the answer to Nii Armah Quaye ni bank accounts nyina so ye di sika po 30 million Ghana cedis kano 300 billion cedis atuni say ometua because we ye car we there for tax ye ni ahubi asa na mo nyina go viral ye ni ahubi ya we GRA wishes to inform its cherished taxpayers and the general public that 1. GRA engages all taxpayers to assess their income earned and follows a standard procedure in communicating with them. These processes include writing to request taxpayers to voluntarily declare their income, raising assessment when they fail to declare their income by the due date, and following due processes to request for the repayment of the tax due. 2. Enforcement actions such as garnishment of accounts are resorted to only after taxpayers have refused to cooperate with the authority following the tax assessment raised. 3. In the case of Nii Armah Quaye, ahana Nii Armah Quaye aba statement anymore. In the case of Mr. Nii Armah Quaye, GRA has not commenced any enforcement actions against him, including freezing his bank accounts. The authority has issued an assessment on him relating to his income taxes. Oh yes, Nii Armah Quaye, in the case of Nii Armah Quaye, said among for claims say GRA for you freeze the bank account na enya no kre say te ye GRA for the say e go catch am say asem no enya no kre da obi tna baby ka say ye freeze Nii Armah Quaye bank account sa sinu hu enya no kre na emom no we are just assessing his income taxes. We are just making assessment to his income taxes, making sure say amount to tuan crowd and sad was to tia. What I say now tuan ye or neka any other day. They are just making assessment. But we try to get beyond 23 so it that 30 million Ghana cedis not is 300 billion na e buy no. E social media for na ati omubu. O man ati omubu the ati so enye Ghana Revenue Authority for. 4. GRA therefore requests the general public to disregard the publication on social media and other platforms that Mr. Quaye's bank accounts have been frozen by the authority. And so, ye pese muti asimo be bia mu ebosiri muka enya no kre. Enya fi na be fa wi abia agenda enya no kre. Etu kwati so bi kan snibakuru kan say kwanotum na GRA for angasa ka kwen kwaku anum o mangasa abekasa. 5. We also urge all eligible taxpayers to voluntarily disclose incomes earned and pay the taxes due to GRA to avoid the payment of penalties and interest as well as facing other sanctions. As I almost say 2%. So when you are a taxpayer, out your tax ever Ghana Revenue Authority, and you make sure say from time to time you do justice to that. Say by interest. Date the matter for and incorporate na unko to interest and penalty on that, and our failure to do so lead to future sanctions and other you know then so Richard Nii Armah Quaye Blonia na odi ni birthday na e ba mfremem say ye den sa to the bank accounts nyina so e Ghana Revenue Authority for our de ka 30 million Ghana cedis no e na ma be dwama ama no we kakun ya ba gini kwakuo na num kwakuo no omo na Ghana Revenue Authority for omo be tirim say omo nye bibiasa nko so efiri omo akache it is obi ejira bontene e ka bisi en bakro no sinihu tire wa dwama me e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.